Yo, what's up? This is KCFS Podcast, and we are back with episode 304. Now, one of our listeners did request that we investigate Jamestown coatings, so after a thorough investigation, this is what we found. The company was founded back in 1885 with the goal of making artificial paint and paint powders. They used to ship paint by trains, but now use more modern methods, and have many advanced techniques and technologies for helping manufacture paint powder. Now, a team did go and investigate the factory, which our footage we will show now. And what they found there was very interesting.
You worked for the company?
I've been with Jamestown Coating Technologies for 20 years. I started as an intern in 2003, so I guess that would make just a few more than that. So,
Is the job fulfilling to themselves?
this job is very fulfilling to me. I started as a bench chemist and later became the packaging coatings director. And today I am the technical director of the company. So yes, this is very fulfilling to be here with all of the up-and-coming chemists.
What's your name?
My name is DJ Dart.
What's your job here?
I'm one of the mill operators here. I guess more precise title would be small batch production.
What is your day to day? Like, how does it look like?
So day to day for me would be seeing our batches more or less from start to finish. So from the time that the formulator has the ticket more or less the way they want it, that ticket will come to my desk. Then I'll gather the materials, mill them, do whatever processes need to be done for that ticket. And then once it passes quality control, I'll also do the fill-off portion for that. So that'll be putting it in the finished container to place out to shipping.